thousands of protesters have rallied in Jordan in solidarity with the Palestinians, calling for severing ties with Israel. Protesters near the Israeli embassy in Amman carried Palestinian flags and placards, demanding the closure of the embassy and cancellation of the 1994 peace treaty. They expressed support for the Palestinian resistance and criticized Israel and the US. The protest faced a heavy security presence with arrests and beatings reported. Despite the absence of a diplomatic mission, protesters claimed the embassy had partially resumed operations. Demonstrators demanded the complete closure of the embassy and cessation of the land bridge used by Gulf countries to trade with Israel. The siege of the embassy intensified in response to Israeli attacks on the Shifa complex and restrictions at Al-Aqsa Mosque. Protesters emphasized their rejection of normalization with Israel and called for aligning with the will of the Jordanian people. In Morocco, people took to the streets in cities like Casablanca and Meknes to show solidarity with Palestinians. They waved Palestinian flags and condemned Israel's actions, urging an immediate ceasefire and the cutting of ties with Israel. The protests in Morocco echoed similar sentiments against normalization agreements signed by Morocco, UAE, Bahrain and Sudan with Israel in 2020. The agreements were criticized by Palestinians as betrayals to their cause. Tunisia also witnessed protests in support of Palestinians.